We've seen many ways to present that combination of cake, cream, and strawberries we know as strawberry shortcake. Now it's time to add one more to the list with a strawberry shortcake trifle. I'm taking all the same elements you use in a strawberry shortcake, but presenting it in an altogether different fashion, creating a new dessert. So I start with the strawberries that I used in the strawberries and cream sponge cake. And that's the strawberries sliced and stirred with strawberry jam. I also have the same cream with the cream cheese that I used in the strawberries and cream sponge cake. As well, I have the sponge cake, but this is the half recipe, the version that I used underneath that Fraisier torte. I'm going to take this and slice it in half because I want to create thin cake layers to stack on top of the cream and berries. And with a little cookie cutter that fits exactly the size of your glass, I'll just cut out some of these cake layers. So I have all three of my elements that qualify as a shortcake, and I'll start the layering. So a few berries at the bottom of the glass. And then a disc of cake, and just press it gently on top, just like so. And a classic English fruit trifle has sweet sherry, so that's what I'm using to brush on top of the cake layer. The sweet sherry complements fresh strawberries. It's a perfect combination. And now, I've got the cream in a piping bag, so it's easy to cleanly put on top of the cake. And now another layer of strawberries, and I'll repeat. Now it's time for another layer of the cake. Of course, you can't forget the sherry. The cream again. And a final topping of these gorgeous strawberries. I like to garnish my trifles with that little something special on top. So what I'm going to do is just take a vegetable peeler and make white chocolate curls. White chocolate is so soft that it does shape into shavings and curls quite easily. So just a little sprinkling right on top. So there you go. Trifles, an altogether different dessert, but we can still call it strawberry shortcake. So you can really take your pick. Which version of strawberry shortcake would you like to make? You can take any or all of these ideas now to your own kitchen to bake